So I still see a lot of people passing away without any kind of document, a will, a trust. I just got a call today from a client of mine that owns several restaurants in Tahoe, and one of his partners passed away, apparently a very wealthy partner, and had no estate planning. And so now we're trying to wade through who's going to handle his estate, what are we going to do with his business interests and that sort of thing. And so I think a big trend today is still people don't get their ducks in order. During COVID, I probably did almost one a day of a call from a physician, a first responder, getting their documents in order. So speaking of rewarding, that was nice that we could do that. And the other trend I'm seeing is that our documents over the years have become more flexible. And I think it is very, very important to draft with flexibility and make sure that the document that you have or what the client ends up with is not something that if something changes, they have to run into court to get the answer. Example, their trustees all die. Hopefully there's a provision in place to get a successor appointed without having to go to court. So I am seeing that lawyers that are experienced and have practiced in this area for a while are trying to draft more flexibility into their documents. I'm also seeing a lot more flexibility with when the first spouse passes away, different options on what trust to fund, depending if you're minimizing estate tax or maximizing income tax planning. So once again, flexibility. And then I think a lot of clients are very concerned about their children and grandchildren and being financially responsible. So I think we're seeing a lot later ages of distribution now than we used to. And also seeing a lot more trusts that are lifetime trusts for children. And that's for two purposes. One, creditor protection, including from a divorce. And two, for estate tax, because I think we all believe that the current administration may really lower a person's lifetime exemption. Hence, a lot more people will owe estate tax. So those are just a few of the things that I have seen in the last few years in the estate planning world.